So I went back to Vietnam for a holiday. And of course I cannot resist exploring the bustling city, hunting through junk shop and guitar store for hidden treasure. I do find a couple interesting instruments that I will do video later on. While I was there one of my dad friend asking me if I could bring his old bass back to life and make it more playable again. And spoiler, it turned out to be the worst bass that I ever worked on. But somehow after a lot of work and I would manage it to bring it back to life and make it more playable again. Do you think make from particle board? Do I need to say more why they did bad?
After dinner, you go into the demo play games only. From 6 to midnight, you give us large horses. An important one being some conversation with Merlin. Usually one's playing the game show.
Especially if you want as much flexibility as possible from the
Interesting bridge system here. It doesn't have any bow to it. Even have some marker left on it too. Get it too high adjustment, but there's no curve to it, you know what I'm saying? By the way, this string is so old and got corroded. I thought it was tape wound string, but no, it's just regular string that turned black. But with the pickup it working perfectly fine, but I still wondering what kind of pickup did they still get took it off. Okay. So after I took it up, interestingly, of the hardware on the guitar are just like regular stuff you can find in your Home Depot and stuff like that. Even did not even attach to anything, it's just a regular washer. The neck on this thing is very beefy too. Looking at the layer of the fingerboard. I think the reason they do it to stop because this thing doesn't have a thread rod anywhere. They make it more bigger to make it like a prevent it from bowing, but I don't think that working very well. I'm clearly seeing the bowing. So we're gonna strap it down and put an iron between it and try to bow it back. I would try to hook up the bridge out and one of the screw is breaking. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Alright, the neck is very bowing, so I'm building this thing right here to get it have more like a lower back, so when we put on the bass string it could give a give. After cleaning it with the dish soap and some alcohol, they look better than before. Lead rust and they're slightly shiny. So yeah, they have some of the overhang guitar fret wire. So I'm gonna tape it up and sanding it, make it more perfect. I'm not gonna do a fret leveling, cause I don't got my tool right here, and I don't think this thing is worth that much to make it spend too much time in it. I just wanted to make it more playable. That might go right here.
Stand out from the selection at the time. With no crazy stats or features like we saw in the Magic Toy, these three machines have one very different influence. Since the tool machine shared the same red and white color pattern as the add notch. This is fits you into the team.
Basically get a piece of plexiglass. I don't know, I kinda like it. I would copy it for my future May build. Nhưng mà chỉ là sơ chiêu loạn nấy cả.
It was the linked statue featured prominently in a lot of these clips, and is eventually revealed to be Atlantis.
Oh yeah, look at that fretboard, all nice and shiny, all nice and shiny. So we're gonna apply it with a coat of beeswax. It's not here right now, but we're gonna apply it with beeswax. About this spade, there are label on the headstock, laser with spelling with a Z. I searched it up and it seemed to be like a Philippine music chain, kinda like Guitar Center, and they still in business. I'm not sure that it a Filipino make or possibility a Vietnamese make, because I have seen similar instrument before on the Vietnamese social media. My bad guess did probably make somewhere in the Southeast Asia. I also super glue some of the part of the pickup because they think there's some couple crack of it. I think I'm just gonna keeping the one of the thing like that. It basically just a piece of plexiglass. Somebody put some duct tape on it. I would like to create a new pickup out of it, but I don't think I have enough time and I don't have all the tools here. So just keep it like that. Hey, the pickup of the bass, I will cut it like outside the guitar pickup. A lot of the things you see, they have a giant magnet in the back. Some of them even share a magnet together. Sadly, I don't have a multimeter to measuring how many ohm on this thing. Probably very low, and I don't think they whack either. So very microphonic. So yeah, these things always interesting me. Now let's put them together. So.
Lose relevancy, and now you really don't hear anybody talk about it outside.
Alright, almost everything is done. Now get into wiring all the wire and put it back to the base. But I'm kind of tired right now. Let's go get some coffee first. Salted coffee. And also, yeah, I got a haircut. Now let's get back to work. Oh, okay. Wiring kind of horrible, but just gonna put them all together. I think I should shorten this thing too. So yeah, I end up have to replacing the switch, the toggle switch right here, and also the pod. I have to get it from that Mustang right there. For some reason, I cannot make it the control plate to work properly. It doesn't make any sound, even though I try 1,000 times. I don't know, they'll go bad because all they are reused from other parts that I found. So yeah, let's put the thing back together. Alright, I'm putting this thing on it, it's likely perfect, but I will add one more layer to make it adjustable for the bread. I think I should adding a neck adjustment like on the Dan Electro Fender, but it'll be cool if I can add that thing in, but not right now. Alright, the bass is basically done. I'm gonna use some of the more lighter bass string. And I buy the real string on the internet, and I'm pretty sure it's fake. It's labeled very cheap and it just feels plasticky. Gonna put it on anyway. Unfortunately, I have to leave in Vietnam before I got a chance to testing the bass myself. So instead, here a video of my friend there giving a bass a sound test. He's not really a bass player, so he just like messing around with it a little bit.